We're out here today to clean some gutters, and I'm going to show you a few of the tools we're using, as well as some of the safety procedures that you're going to want to follow. Today we have a SGS 28 gun with a 36-inch lance, fittings installed of course, along with a gutter cleaning attachment, and either a 15 or a 25-degree nozzle installed. This is going to go on the end, so it forms a bit of a hook so I can stand on the ground. Because I'm standing on the ground, you're definitely going to want eye protection because there's going to be debris flying around. And number two is that you don't want to hit the shingles with your pressurized spray. One thing you should note is that you can see how full this is with debris. The pressure is going to remove adhered debris, but the flow or the volume of water coming out is actually going to move it from one place to another out of the work site. So we're going to start on one side and it's going to push it, and then we're going to do it in batches. Since we've now cleared the debris out, we want to make sure to get all of the adhered mold and mildew off of the sidewalls of the gutter.
We're using the gutter cleaning attachment to access the outside portion of the gutter trough. And now we're removing the attachment to wash the fascia side of the gutter trough.
As part of routine maintenance for houses, a lot of times you'll clean the siding. In this case, we were doing the gutters and we've blown a lot of the debris onto the side of the house. So we're going to use the foam cannon with just a little bit of soap. In this case, we're using Performance just as an example. This is not something you should use to clean your house because it's pH neutral. Most times when you're cleaning siding, you're going to want to use something more caustic. But in this case, we're just going to throw some foam up here and then we're going to blast it off with a 36-inch lance with either a 15 or a 25-degree nozzle.
While it's always recommended that debris be removed from gutters prior to washing, a pressure washer with a gutter cleaning attachment can make quick work of a common spring cleaning task.